Hey everybody! So today we're unboxing another GMKTec computer. So a client of mine reached out and a computer that I set up for her about 10 years ago has finally reached end of life. It's currently, I think it has an Atom 3735F or 3537F, one of the numbers, whatever way. Either way, it's a very old mini PC. And so I'm upgrading her with this one. So let's check it out. I forgot my remote. Okay, so this is the G3 Plus. It's the base model because she quite literally looks at weather.com and CNN.com and opens up her Comcast email. That's literally all she does. And that this little guy should be perfect for, because it's not super performant, but it does basic tasks so well. At least the G3 does. This one, you know, should also. Inside we have the G3 Plus. And the normal boxes. So we should have a power supply, a HDMI cable. Oh, it's a different power supply. An HDMI cable and a VESA mount and a guide. So first thing I want to look at is the power supply. So it is about the same size, maybe a little bit smaller. This is 12 volts at 3 amps for 36 total watts. And for giggles, the old supply, or the supply that came with the G3, is the same power envelope. It's just in a slightly different package. All right. Inside, maybe. Man, that attaches a lot better. All right. Inside, we have 8 gig stick of RAM and a 256 gig SSD that is from AirDisk. And like the G3, it has an additional B-key SSD. So that would be SATA. And yeah, like, in all honesty, I would swear to you that this is the G3. Front, we have power button, 2 USB 3s of some kind. On the back, we have 2 HDMIs, power, headphones, and 2 more USB 3s. That's it. So, let's compare this to the other G3. So, here's my other G3. This is the G3 Non Plus. So this has the N100. This has the N150. The back, as you can see, identical. Same pattern, same everything. Front, same thing. Bottom, same. So, what about the inside? Yep. I need to take my take out the SSD to see if it's the same chipset for the Wi-Fi. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty damn identical. And I didn't expect it to be any different, just because it doesn't need to be. It's just the CPU that changed, so they've probably didn't even have to change the traces. It's just literally, and you get this processor instead of this one because it's the newer one, you know? So I expect the performance to be pretty close to this one, you know, 5% faster than this one, but I don't expect much. Let me go grab a screwdriver. Okay, as you can see, they are the exact same card. The only thing I noticed different is instead of using the same standoff to hold the Wi-Fi down, the Wi-Fi has its own mount, and the card location is slightly further towards the front. Other than that, that's it. And yeah. So, cool. Here's the SSD, if you're curious. And yeah, the only difference model number wise is this one is a 00 on the end and this one is a VB, which means absolutely nothing to me because it's the same thing. Let me look up the model number because this one does say, or not, the new one does say VB in the actual model number too. So maybe it actually means something, but I doubt it. Okay, I looked it up. I could not find anything on the VB version, so I'm just going to say it's the exact same damn card. It's just slightly newer firmware or something on it. Other than that, identical. Oh, well, I mean, another small difference is the real-time battery location is slightly different for the plug, not for the battery itself. And then there was a residual like solder mask down here for some plug that's completely removed here. Like, not enough that warrants much more than this. I hit the wrong button. So, if I would have bought the same color, it's just as easy to go, yep, this is the N150 when I could be the N100, because externally they're identical. Other than the sticker, of course. So, yeah. I look forward to checking this little guy out and hoping my client enjoys her new computer. Anyways, thanks for watching and stay tuned to the channel for reviews and blah, 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 blah for computers and handheld game console things, because that did come in the mail today. Along with the review for these little guys. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to do reviews on computers other than, I don't know, here's numbers. So if you have any ideas on that, let me know, because I don't know. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!